Let's talk about member experience. First, ask yourself, what type of value do you want to provide to your members? Value of networking, value of information, value of affinity, value of entertainment. Let's start with the first one. The value of networking lies in the power of your community to connect like-minded individuals, creating opportunities for networking and serendipitous moments that add value through meaningful member connections. Free communities can do paid events, while paid communities can do exclusive free events that comes with the subscription. Value of information. You can do this by giving access to exclusive knowledge and experiences not found elsewhere. Value of affinity. Provide a sense of belonging and shared purpose. Offer your members the opportunity to connect with others who share similar beliefs, values, or interests, reducing feelings of isolation and creating a sense of identity and community. And lastly, value of entertainment. Create an enjoyable and engaging place for members to spend time, thriving on emotional connections and positive experiences. To summarize, there are 4 types of value a community can bring. Value of networking, value of information, value of affinity, value of entertainment. You have the opportunity to offer multiple value propositions. It's time to start identifying what is yours.